Welcome to VanCraft Camper Vans. In this video, we are going to highlight all of the features found on our long wheelbase model van. Built on a brand new Mercedes Sprinter 170-inch chassis, this van is great for couples or families who want the added comfort of extra living space. On the exterior, you have the black powder-coated wheels with all-terrain tires, 4 LED pod lights, signature matte black hood wrap, and an optional 10-foot awning. Inside there is seating for 6, 2 in the front captain's chairs, with room for 4 additional passengers on the rear bench seat. In the kitchen you'll find an Induction cooktop, 45-quart fridge, and undermount stainless steel sink. There is a 7-gallon aquatainer located underneath the sink that can be easily removed to refill with fresh drinking water. The bench seating comes standard with lap seat belts and room to fit an optional cartridge toilet. Lifting up on the backrest of the bench extends the sleeping area of the bed to 6 foot 5 inches. The long wheelbase model has the option to add a convertible bed that transforms the L bench into an additional full-size sleeping area. Located directly above the bed is a roof vent fan with the option to upgrade to a rooftop air conditioner. Staying organized is made easy with overhead storage bins, a closet with adjustable shelves, and floor-to-ceiling pull-out pantry. Insulated window covers suction to the glass and help keep the interior cool during the summer and warm during the winter. There are 4 USB plugs and 2 household plugs that are conveniently located to recharge and power all of your devices. The camper van's electrical system is powered by a 400 amp-hour AGM battery bank. The system is automatically recharged while driving and by a 320-watt solar panel located on the roof. The passenger seat swivels and is a great spot for taking shoes on or off when you get in and out of the van. Built into the base of the passenger seat is an Airtronic diesel heater. The heater includes a programmable thermostat and can run 24/7 to keep the interior of the van warm, even in the coldest of climates. The long wheelbase comes standard with an upgraded audio system that replaces the factory speakers, and 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay. At the rear of the van is an open layout garage with plenty of space for mountain bikes, snow skis, or surfboards, up to 6 feet 8 inches long. And best of all, an 18-gallon hot water shower. The water tank is built into the cabinet and uses an on-demand propane heater to supply endless hot water. VanCraft is one of only a handful of camper van manufacturers to be certified by the RV Industry of America. Not only does the RVIA certification mandate the highest quality and safety standards, it also allows you to finance the van with a traditional RV loan. Reach out to a member of our sales team to learn more about purchasing a VanCraft Sprinter camper van.